Racing just is started. We have directors. Donya break quick, let us start. Guapo Pace running by the release. Mr. Tatler, Her Highness Congregation comes next, worth the wait, while G.I. Jane is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Guapo Pace by about 4 lengths, and in second is Directors Donya, then comes Her Highness Congregation. Mr. Tatler is running by the rail. The next online is worth the wait, and a long way back to G.I. Jane, who's racing in lengths back to the leader. William Guapo Face is still in control, leads by about 4 lengths. Directors Donya remains in second, worth moving up on the outside is Congregation. Mr. Tatler, Her Highness, worth the wait, while G.I. Jane is still racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch. Guapo Pace by about 3 lengths. Directors Donya, Mr. Tatler comes next. Congregation, Her Highness as they swing for home. Guapo Pace moving up is Directors Donya, Mr. Tatler now moving up on the outside. It's now Mr. Tatler now takes command over Guapo Pace, and finally Mr. Tatler, Guapo Pace, Directors Donya, then comes Congregation, Her Highness, worth the wait, and G.I. Jane.
Alright, Bayang Guerrerista, number 3, Mr. Tatler. Crossing the wire first, ridden by Apprentice CP Sigua. Masisigunding 4 Guapo Pace, Directors Donya, then 2A Congregation.